Kwekuqala nje recognize that our sponsor Montigny sithi nje kulabamthumile Mr. Sihle and the team lisibongele kuma directors the employees of Montigny kwekuthi bakubone kukuhle kwekuthi bangathi i-corporate social investment bayilethe eBholeni especially kaHhohho ephikweni lasesigangeni. We are very proud of that. We are very thankful and grateful. We are hopeful ukuthi as a company we've got certain drives so kushito ke lokunye kwekuthi eMahlatsi I think they are one of the biggest forex earner in the country. Lokusho ukuthi angumnotho welive. Mina ke ngisebenza emaphilisini ngeke ngakubona sebenza kude emaphilisi ukuthi kubuhlungu. So bekunene usho yona wancele. Asitigadzeni letihlahla tingashi. Noma ngabe unetinyosi baqele batokukhokhela tinyosi takho. And we are going into a very tricky season. Lapho khona ukhanza ukuthi kunemoya komile and netinyosi ngalesikhathi lesi ngathi ngalesikhathi tineluju lolunyeke. So bekunene siyacela lokho ukuthi sibambisane. Not only ke thine bebhola nje. Thine singema club asesigangeni we become ambassadors of such messages. Kuwonke umuntu. Bese sesithi iswati lonke noma uvakashele nje ngala kunetihlahla khona. Please take responsibility. Singalahli tincamu noma sisuse umlilo irresponsibly. Let us be responsible for our wealth, which are the forests. Sibonga kakhulu ke sibonge ke nendvuna emkhathisini wethu. Ngiyelodlala elikhasa lelikhulu uphinze ke abe ipartner vele lakawo because uphinza sponsorishe njengoba shito Ncele uyasponsorisha ngiyabona wena Ncele lokuthi angagqamisi kakhulu namhlanje langa la kaMonti uzogqamisa ngalelanga semlanga yes namhlanje langa la kaMonti nibekunene and sithi ke Saturday sibe sikunzethe kutabe kudlala tabe silapho sitawenda khona our grand closing yale league ya this year. Ngifuna kubonga kakhulu ke ema directors ema clubs for contributing to run a seamless competition. This was a free flowing competition. Siyabonga lokho ke kusita kakhulu lokho ukuthi to harness the sponsor to stay here nemvile lulwimi lwancele kwekuthi lumnanzi kanjani konke ke lokweliswe kulokuthi siyabambisana with the clubs to run a seamless competition. Without that ngaba kukho lokho and sikela lokuthi sikhule netihlwele tethu sitifundzise ukuthi how to conduct themselves. I think onke ma teams atuba nemabhuku nje kusho ukuthi tihlwele nawusihlwele sakula teamini ubehave njani and nawudlala under Montigny ubehave njani because akungabonakali kungathi i-company sponsorisha budlanga kumqoka kakhulu. The investment lena ke kulama clubs it has done a lot especially to the leadership of the clubs because that's where they hone their skills how to lead clubs. It also hone talent yalama athletes also. Ebola it's no more just an ordinary sport. This day football it's a big industry. It's a big industry. Like Kabesasho ngivulile laceleni kwami the value chain lekhona la Boleni it's big. Uma uthi nje uhlanganisa abantu labangu 1200 bayele baqale bageza labantu bafaka insipho imali angithi bahloba baayina badle ama unit agesi so nje all that because bayale emdlalweni webhola bayathengisa labanye bayadla. That's a value chain. It's a big industry. It's untapped. Let us keep this sport clean, nice, so that it can attract more investors kiso. So sibonge kakhulu, sibonge ke nalaba siphathele imidlalo bo Rafaela. Usually it's very tricky. Ayengachela lo munye ukuthi for you to judge which is an offside, you have to consider about 8 wethinto in a split of a second. Ukuthi this is an offside. Wethuka lo munye athi yes, it's complex to be a referee, it's a challenging job. But nje sibonge kakhulu ukuthi basiphathele imidlalo yethu kude imisindo lebekhona, because esikhathini lesiningi kukhanya ukuthi imisindo isuka ngabo Rafaela. And then ke sibonge nebatali bebantwana ke ukuthi babavumele bantwana ukuthi baye emagroundini badlale ibhola, and kwana nathi thina baphathi kubebede umntwana lo bese uyalimala ngekuthi badlala ibhola limale hayi ngalesibhola limale ngalenye indlela, and bese sofunza imikhiba lemibi lebhola, and not under the sponsor. The sponsor is here to train good human beings which are going to be responsible adults. And ke maybe umuntu asagcina sibonge kakhulu ku media coverage. Funa ngikhulume namabhalano awo. At one time we need to sit down with the media. Sesikhulume sesibonisane ukuthi how best can we improve from this, and like funa anendele breakfast meeting and enzaweni lekahle angithi so that we help each other. We would see how do we want it, so that bo Mr. Sihle nabafika la nabafuna kuhambisa imilayeto basebenzise thina sibe sisitana nani nasenifuna kuhamba yo coverisha national team noma naba bo ngathi sitawina bani Sunday sebayaleni kwenza ukuthi uyakhona Sihle uyangeneka ukuthi no angakuthengela ticket angithi so uma ufika lena ukuthi awu coverishwe umuntu nile game lele angithi sinemaline lamaningi wena ngcele ekusebena nje lapho le maningi lama products lapho leni bamama la ngasebenzisa ukuhambisa imilayeto na